Hello everyone. Today I am going to ask you a question. How many letters are there in English alphabets? Yes, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Now let us sing the alphabet song. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So, as there are 26 letters and as we all have different name and we have our own voice, our 26 alphabets also have their own sound. Each alphabet has a different sound. So now let us listen to the story of alphabet phonics sound. Let us begin with the letter A. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Andy. He was playing near an apple tree and suddenly he falls near an ant hill and one ant bites on his arm and he said eh eh. Yes, the sound of letter A is eh. Okay. Now let us listen to the sound of letter B and the story of letter B. There was a rabbit named Bunny. He was playing in the ground and suddenly he saw a big box full of balls. He took a big ball, blue colored ball, and he started playing with the ball, and when he was bouncing the ball, it was making sound like bah, bah, bah. Yes, you guessed it right. The sound of letter B is bah. Okay? Now, let us sing the alphabet song. Okay? Come on, you also have to sing with me. A says apple, apple, apple. B says ball, ball. A says apple, arrow, ant. B says ball, balloon, boss.